Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Cash App won't let me withdraw Bitcoin problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Cash App on your phone. But before that, make sure to check if your app needs update or not. If it does needs updating, then go ahead, update it, and that should also solve out the errors. But if it does not, then open app and go ahead, tap on this profile icon given on top right corner. Then tap on this option of support by scrolling at the bottom as highlighted. Then tap on option of something else. Then tap on this option of cash card from the options. Then tap on contact support. Now tap on this option of not about a transaction right over there. Now tap on chat and talk to the support and then let them know that you're curious, and that is the only way for you to simply solve out your problem of not being able to withdraw Bitcoin on Cash App, and that is it. So hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.